Hello all, today we're going to be working with resin and you need to wear gloves because this resin, once it gets to your skin, it may damage your skin cells. So wear a gloves and also filter mask because this resin produces poisonous gas which you can't smell. So just wear a filter mask. Today I'll be doing making rings with resin. Okay, so now I'll be saying some things you need. Resin and hardener. There are two types of resin. One is exposite resin, which I have. It comes with the hardener. When you mix the hardener and the resin together and make it cure, it will be so hard. Like the second resin is UV resin. You have to buy a resin UV sunlight mold. Ice cream stick. You don't need that much. Just one or two. Okay. And a spoon, a plastic spoon for mixing, a measuring cup, and some cute stuff to decorate the resin. The mixing ratio is 3.1. First, the mixing ratio is 3.1. Okay, so how to use is take 3 spoons of resin and 1 spoon of hardener. That is the way. Oh, finally! Yay! So this water is resin. No, I don't know how I'm going to take this resin. Like I'm just supposed to pour it. 1 spoon. Pour. I think I should pour some more, so 3 more spoons. Okay, now the mixing ratio was 3.1 and I was supposed to pour 3 spoons, but I poured 6 spoons instead, so I'm gonna pour 2 spoons of this hardener. I'm using another spoon for that. Oh yes. You have to mix the resin and the hardener for 10 minutes. I'm gonna use this ice cream stick to mix. I'm gonna pour that into this silicone mold. Oh no. We have about 30 minutes to work after mixing the resin. A paper. No, I knew it. Okay, so I have filled 3 of them with the resin I had. 2 of them is transparent and 1 of them is filled with beads. So to make it dry, we need to make them sit for 24 hours. So bye, I'll see you after 24 hours. That's a 1 day. I'll see you after 1 day. Bye. Hello, I'm back. So it's been 24 hours, I think. Yeah, so let's demold.
had to use a flashlight as a guide, and now I'm standing in an overcrowded train, picturing the times we had as children while the rain is pouring down the windows and the people push their way. Take me back.
So this is what we got. That's all. Subscribe. Bye. See you in my next video.